All right, so this is 38, so we're going to start with a box that's 120 by 50. And let's see how tall it is. 10 tall. And then we're going to pull out this polygon right here. Okay, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. And it is let's do 16.6. Let's add 8.3 and 8.3 together. So it's got 8 sides. So it's got 8 sides. And before you turn it, let's add some numbers together. Okay, so what we're going to measure is like from this corner to this corner. So we're going to add 11.7, 8.3, 8.3, 11.7. So 11.7 plus 11.7 plus 8.3 plus 8.3. So that's 40. If I added it right. Okay. So we're going 40 by 40. Now we've got to turn this or rotate it, and I'm going to do 23.5 because that's half of 45, and I think that's what it is. Yeah. So I'm just going to raise it up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 because it's 10 tall. I don't know why I said 5. And let's just center all this stuff up. We'll just use the align tool. Yeah. Normally the easiest thing to do. And these are 11.7 and they're 10 in. So here we go. 11.7, tab 11.7. And it doesn't matter how tall they are. And we're just going to put them on the corners. Just hold shift and go in one time and down one time. And you're going to do that on all 4 corners. Okay. And I would go ahead and group all that now. don't know why I want to click duplicate when I'm with a group. And it's poked all the way through. Might as well turn on multicolor to make it a little bit easier to see. Easiest parts to do. So that's going to be a box that's 15 by 15 by, oh, we messed up on that 8-sided thing. Should have been 22. So those are, all right, so that should have been 22 tall. Not 11. Okay, so now I'll group it all together and use multicolor. All right. So we need another box. That is well, it's 16.6 by 15. So on the side it's 16.6 and then 15. And let's just zoom in. And I'm just going to eyeball it. I may have got these. Let me make sure I got that measurement right. Oh, well, that let's make sure that's 16.6. Yeah. Make it 22 tall. And definitely make it 220. Just make a copy of it and move it over. Let's go ahead and group it. So these corners they're 5 at 45. So all you need to do is take a box and make it 5 by 5. Super easy. And just rotate it 45. And you won't have to rotate this anymore because every corner is going to be turned the same way. So you probably just want to click off on it. That needs to come up just a little bit. And just make your duplicates. Hit F to zoom in. Click off of it. Line it good. And I just grab those and duplicate them at the same time and move them over. You have to zoom in. And I just want to zoom in and look at them. Looks pretty good. So I would go ahead and group those. Let's center it all up. Okay. So this piece right here is 6. And it goes down, looks like it goes down 25. So 6 by 6. We'll make it 25 tall. Okay, so this is going to be a little different. So we're going to come in from a corner 8.3 and 9. Okay, so you're going to have to change the snap grid some. So the very first thing I want to do is to raise that up even with the top. I'm just holding the control key down. Okay. I should just be able to center it. Okay. So that should be 8.3. And we want to go in 9. So I'm lined up right there. I want to change my snap grid back to 1.0. And I'm just going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Same thing on the other side. And the reason I didn't make the boxes at the same time is because it wasn't a square. If it had been a square, I'd have done it and just copied it and moved it. But it's a lot of flipping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the only thing that needs new is make a hole that goes on top of that. Or a different color. This piece right here. So it's 12 by 5. So 12, tab 12, and then 5 tall. And we're just going to raise it up. Until it's even. Okay. So I'm going to select both those. Make the little one the master. I'm just going to center it up. Same thing here. If you just hold down the shift key, you can click on them, make it the master. The little one's the master. If you use the align tool, it's really fast. And just group those guys together. It should be done like that. And those holes don't go all the way through. Missing one hole right here that's 16.6 by 22. Okay. Last thing you need to do, 16.6 by 16.6 by 22. Let's look at that one more time. And it doesn't go all the way through. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, I see where I got that 20. It's 20 by 20. That's why we measure twice and cut once, I guess, where that saying comes from. You should just be able to line it up, make the big piece a master, and just raise it up. Let's hide that and see if we can find it. Okay, so right now it's down. Let's just raise it up some. Just like that. Groups. And you're done. And that is 38. Y'all have a great day.